Now let's just close the coping here before we build our next backsplash wall unit. Just close that up with this toggle here. Once you have it sufficiently closed up everywhere, then you're ready to build your next wall right on top of this wall. Go to plan view, it's probably the easiest, and take retaining wall and build from this spot over to this spot, and we'll right click that, go to perspective. You don't see anything because we're not at the right elevation, so we'll just bring that right up like so. And that's what it looks like at the back. And we've got our accent in there. We can change our accent row, the offset a bit to make it more interesting if we want. We can also, if we go to edit points, this is very cool. I would insert some points right about here, and one here, and one here. Then you can take a particular point and start raising it in the height like so. Isn't that cool? You can do that. You can continue to raise the others up too, and just to make it all equilateral. Now you have a rounded backsplash. Very cool. Now when you're ready to, you can add a grill island in here, and where you do that is you go to landscape, accessories, and if we go to the outdoor kitchens, there are some just standalone units that you can just put right in. You have to rotate it to the right orientation, and then once you've got that in, you've got your grill island nicely positioned. You're ready to put in some grill island doors too. You can do that out of the same menu. If you go to accessories again, there should be some doors available. There's some sinks available, and here's some doors we can put in, and they also need to be rotated, and we can place those right in, right underneath the grill. Now you can also change the size of them if you need to, and you can change the height, the elevation, just by positioning the elevation tool. You'll be using the elevation tool a lot in this software. And we'll zoom out, have a little look at our island. Another cool thing you can do is you can, with an island like this, if you go back to our accessories, and if we go to furniture, there is, I believe, an umbrella section. You can add an umbrella to your grill island